Rolling Plains Adventures again. Thanks, Jeremy and family. Another great trip out here to North Dakota. Oh, I just love coming out here.
It was awesome, man. I'm telling you, couldn't get any better than this. Rolling Plains Adventures #1, baby. Woo!
If you're ever in North Dakota or planning a trip to come hunt in North Dakota, make sure you make a stop at Rolling Plains Adventures, whether it's for whitetail, waterfowl, pheasants, or even buffalo.
Rooster! Rooster! Woo! Kill him! Kill him! Nice! Rooster!
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 Kill him! Kill him!
Rooster! 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 Nice shot. Rooster! Nice shot. Rooster! Nice! Rooster! Nice! Rooster! Woo!
Kill him!
Up!
Best place ever, Rolling Plains. I mean,
Nothing like it.
every year, never disappoints.
Another good year at Rolling Plains Adventures. Thanks, Jeremy. Good place to hunt and good people. Thanks again.
I shot a giant at Rolling Plains Adventures.
Excellent, top notch. Great deer, great facility, great people.
Good day at Rolling Plains. Loving it.
Great hunt here at Rolling Plains Adventures. Thank you, Jeremy, and the whole Doan family. Food and lodging is second to none. Great place.
Awesome, Jeremy. Thank you. Rolling Plains, I've been here for a long time. Some awesome hunting. Thumbs up all the way. Class act.
Rolling Plains Adventures, get some!
It was awesome. First day at Rolling Plains Adventure. First hunt.
Thank you, Rolling Plains Adventures.
Another great hunt at Rolling Plains. Thanks, Ethan and Jeremy. Fun hunt.
Great time. Everybody's laughing and joking. Worth it. Worth a 1,600-mile drive.
Got him.
Rooster!
Adventures!